In this video, I'm going to show you how to replay disappearing photo on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And once you get such kind of message, it says view photo and has a small play button in it, so you need to know that this is disappearing photo and you will be able to view this photo just once. After that you can't be able to view that photo again, so the only way to replay disappearing photo is to take a screenshot. To take screenshot on your iPhone, you need to press volume up and power button at the same time, like that, and you need to be ready to make screenshot very fast, because you will get about 2 or 3, maybe 5 seconds to view that photo, because it brings up for a short period of time. Look how it happened. I tapped there, here at the top I got countdown, and now I need to press these two buttons to take a screenshot, and after that I need to get into that screenshot, and here I can crop it if I want, and then tap done. And here select save to photos or save to files, or if I don't want to look at this photo anymore, I can delete screenshot. Now I tap on save photos, that photo was saved, and here you see that I can't interact with that message again. I can only make a reaction on that message, but I can't open up it again. But I saved it to my gallery. It's here, the last photo. So now you know how to replay a disappearing photo on Instagram. And now make sure that you like this video if that information was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe.